This is the interior of the micro oven. We are doing a fault finding. The problem of the microwave is that it does not heat up food. So this is the interior of it. This is the wiring or connection, electrical connection inside, and it's simple, very much simple and straightforward, but only if you know it. This is the magnetron, is the one that makes our food to become hot, and this one is our transformer, high voltage transformer, is the one that supplies power to the micro magnetron. So I'm about to do a fault finding here and see what's the problem.